Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to solve question on Laplace transformation. Find Laplace transformation of cos t, cos 2t and cos 3t. Okay, so first of all, what is formula of cos A cos B? So this is equal to half of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, so what is value of here A and B? So value of A is t and value of B is 2t. Okay, so cos t cos 2t, so this is equal to half cos 3t plus cos t minus 2t, that is cos minus t. Okay, so cos t cos 2t is t plus 2t, that is 3t, and A minus B means t minus 2t, that is minus t. Okay, so we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta itself. So cos of minus t will become cos t. So again cos t cos 2t, which is equal to half of cos 3t plus cos t. Now again we have to find cos t cos 2t and cos 3t. So cos t cos 2t and cos 3t. So we multiply cos 3t both the side. So it will become cos 3t square, and this will again cos t cos 2t. So again we have to convert this two term cos t and cos 3t into addition form. So half of cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we write 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here we have 3t, so it will become cos 6t divided by 2 plus cos t cos 3t. So again cos A cos B formula. So half of cos 4t plus cos 2t. So now this cos t cos 2t and cos 3t will be 1 by 4, 1 plus cos 6t plus cos 4t plus cos 2t. So we just convert our multiplication form of cos t cos 2t and cos 3t into addition form by using this formula cos A cos B. So now we find Laplace transformation of this part. So now again Laplace transformation of cos t cos 2t and cos 3t will be 1 by 4, and by linear property we can separately write Laplace transformation of 1, Laplace transformation of cos 6t plus Laplace transformation of cos 4t plus Laplace transformation of cos 2t. Okay, so since we know that Laplace transformation of cos AT will be s upon s square plus a square. What is a here? A is any constant. So Laplace transformation of cos t cos 2t cos 3t. So this will become 1 by 4. Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s plus cos 6t s upon s square plus 36 s upon s square plus Laplace transformation of 4t. So s upon s square plus 4 square, that is 16. Again s upon s square plus a square. So value of a is 2. So that is 4. So this is our final answer. So hope you like the video. What we have done in this video, first of all we find cos A cos B formula. What is cos A cos B? It will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we put value A is equal to t and B is equal to 2t. Then cos t, cos 2t and cos 3t. So we multiply cos 3t both the side. So we find here cos square 3t and here we again have cos t cos 3t. So cos square theta, we apply this formula, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So 1 plus cos 60 divided by 2 plus cos A cos B formula. So same as previous. So we apply cos 4t plus cos 2t. Okay, so after this step we just convert our multiplication term into addition term, so we can apply easily our Laplace transformation. So Laplace transformation of this term will be Laplace transformation of 1, Laplace transformation of cos 6t, cos 4t and cos 2t. Okay, so Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s, we know that, and Laplace transformation of cos at is s upon s square plus a square. So we just write value of a over here. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you have any doubt related to standard formula, so you can watch previous video. Thank you so much.